Hey guys, I'm here. Today we're checking out the O'Pen 3 from Olight. This pen I'm over the moon excited about because it solves all of the issues I had with the O'Pen Glow. And this is the light I use at work every single night because it has a little tip that glows so you can write at night. Some of the things I didn't like about this one is that this clip was super strong, very tight. So when I try to clip it onto my pants or something like that, it kind of tears at it, makes it hard to push down. The other thing I don't like about this is even though it has a lockout mode, whenever I put it into my pocket, I would inevitably push this down long enough while I'm trying to get it in there that it would turn the light on, unlock it, and then this light would just be shining in my pocket the entire time. Then when I go to use it, the battery is dead. It had a way to charge it right here with a really cool inkwell thing. You just kind of stick it in like that. It was super cool. But there was no other way to charge it, so I always had to keep that little inkwell charger at work just in case I needed to charge it because I left this thing on. This pen fixes all of those problems. Here we do have a strong clip, but it's kind of like a tie clasp. You can move it, so when I go to put it into my pocket, it just makes it nice and easy. The lock for it is on the side instead of the top. So when I push on the top, it does nothing. But the lockout is over here. So if I hold that down for a couple seconds, now it'll lock out. And there's no way that I'm accidentally going to push so much pressure onto the side of this for more than 2 seconds that is going to unlock this. So no accidental unlocking. Third thing I really like about this, with the O'Pen Glow, when the light was on, it created, you're not going to be able to see it on camera, but it created a little shadow right where the pen was. And I don't know why, it just distracted me when I was writing. This one, the light is a little bit wider on it. And so when the pen is there, it doesn't create that shadow anymore. And I really like that. So we have this little selector switch here. Right now we're on the pen side, so when we press this button, the pen lights up. Switch it to the light and press the button, and we start off in moonlight mode, and then hold that down and we will cycle through low, medium, and high until we get to wherever we want it to be, and then just let go. When you turn it off, turn it back on, it starts off in that moonlight mode again. Now, when the light is off, if you give this button a double press, you'll get to a red light. That's going to save my night vision so much. And there's 2 modes on that, so when we hold down this button, it will cycle through low and high. Then just let go wherever you want it to be. Now with the red light on, if you give this button a triple click, it will go into an SOS mode. I'm never going to need that, but that's super cool. Then if we switch this all the way up to the top, we get access to our laser. And we have the green laser, and we hold this button down, and we will go through both of our high and low laser lights. To charge this, we unscrew the middle here, and here you can see a USB-C charging port. So now I don't have to worry about where is that little inkwell at. I can just charge this in my car, I can charge it at work, I can charge it from a lot of the flashlights I have. The only thing I think that would make this pen better is if it came in titanium. This is my everyday carry pen. This is titanium, and it's my O'Pen Pro. If this pen came in titanium, I would instantly buy it, and I would only have one light that rules them all. Also, I would kind of like it if maybe the next version came out with that little charging port here as well, because having that little inkwell is pretty cool. Even though I do love that I can charge this anywhere, being able to just go boop, it's kind of flashy and show it off to the people at work. Usually when I'm showing off products and stuff, I don't really give my opinions on it. I just say, this is how many lumens it is, how sharp it is, this is what it does, that kind of a thing. But this pen is probably the one that rules them all. I mean, if you're ever looking for a gift for somebody, I think these are down to like 65 or 75 bucks right now. The O'Pen 3 is definitely a game changer for pens, lights, lasers, that kind of stuff. Well, that's all I have for this video. Bang around that bell icon if you want to be notified when new videos come out. Call us on the hotline if you have comments or questions and want to be featured in an upcoming video. Don't forget to comment, rate, subscribe. Check us out on the website, and we'll see you guys on the next one.